Brownstone row house, brownstone row house. What's the difference?
A brownstone is simply the architectural style of a row house. And here at 22 Linden Street in Holyoke, this handsome brownstone is the epitome of quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. So let's step back in time and see what was once old is new again. Prepare to be charmed. Splashes of wit, wow, and inspiration can be found throughout this impeccably kept home. The beauty of the old world charms such as massive handcrafted built-in mirror, heavy solid pocket doors with intricately designed hardware add incredible soul to this home that's already so rich in history. The living room is welcoming and bright and is open to the formal dining room with built-in pass-through cupboard perfect for displaying your finest treasures. Full walk-in pantry is an absolute dream and is the perfect connection between the dining room and kitchen. The kitchen is an inspiring space that works hard without sacrificing style. It blends modern minimalism with classic beauty. Tons of natural light abound in this space, which leads you right out to the backyard. Head up to the second floor where you're graced by the beauty of the original spindles seen throughout this gorgeous stairway. Pine floors and floor-to-ceiling windows greet you in each of the 3 bedrooms and office that await you upstairs. The full bath is sunlit and features an authentic clawfoot tub. So if you're in the market for an architectural beauty where character can be found within every room of the home, then this handsome brownstone may be the right fit for you. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly.
And I'm her husband, Tom.
And we're
your real estate professionals.
And until next time, happy house hunting.